In this video, we're going to do a very simple proof. We're going to prove that the sum of three consecutive integers is divisible by three. So if you take any three numbers in sequence and you add them, it is divisible by three. In other words, it's a multiple of three. That sum is a multiple of three. So recall a definition. What does it mean to be divisible by three? So we say A divides B if there exists an integer n such that B is a multiple of A. So in other words, being divisible by three means it's also a multiple of three. Okay, so proof. So let's start by taking three consecutive integers. So let n plus 1, n plus 2 be three consecutive integers. So if you have three consecutive integers, this is certainly what they will look like, right? Because if you have n, the next one is n plus 1, and the next one is n plus 2. Then we can add them up. Then n plus 1 plus n plus 2. Well, this is going to be n plus n plus n. So this is 3n plus 3. And we have to show it's a multiple of 3. So this is actually pretty simple because we can pull out the 3 and we get n plus 1. So you see that the sum is 3 times a number. So it's a multiple of 3. That means that the sum is divisible by 3. So we are done. And that completes the proof.